I'm Wincy. Today I will present 重生修復舍 Reborn Repair Hub. It's a design project that gives new meanings and value to reborn seekers and objects by repair old objects. The experienced reborn seekers face social marginalization and lack the social capacity to make change on their own during and after rehabilitation. Also, rehab activities are often led by social worker and instructor, which limit their autonomy. What if we co-create a repair workshop with job experienced reborn seekers to rebuild their lives through the 2-month Reborn Restore program? Include reborn old objects, hold workshop, and engage with the communities to rebuild their life and relationship with society. Our mission is to empower them to form a co-creation team to lead workshop on reborn old objects. For the stakeholder map, 重生修復舍 recruit reborn seekers in just rehab centers. The award for the activities was provided by Making on North, which recycle and recreate old objects, and the site was provided by Jacob Tennis Academy. During the workshop, reborn seekers, the public, and we co-created activities related to reborn old objects. We cooperated with Assistant Control, a store located in Yamade, which provides different services to its labor, such as consignment. And some participants signed up for activities for our Instagram. In the program, week 6 to 8, we recruited 4 reborn seekers and we treated them with empathy and listened to their story through chat. In Mila training, they would learn to reborn at least one old object, recreate an atmosphere of support and encouragement, and set a common goal so that they have peers and everyone is moving toward to direction of reborn. And there are 5 steps of reborn old object. So daylight music and DIY music can heal the soul and is a form of artistic expression that evolves their energy. So let's then learn turning old wood into a trump piano. First step, we would sawing the old wood. In the second step, we will turn old wood board cut into the bottom of the trump piano and add piano keys. First step, we would decide its pattern and colors. Fourth step, we will co-create and discuss how to give meaning to the trump piano. Fifth step, we will to bring out the message that objects and people can be reborn. Finally, the old wood turned into a key trump piano. Assessing their ability to lead the workshop and teach skill to the participants, we find that at first they were unsure about their teaching ability. However, with our encouragement, they were able to successfully pass the assessment. Zhonghua said that although it was challenging, completing the task gave them a sense of achievement and make them realize their capacity for growth and learning. Next, we hold at least one activities we co-create in CHEUNG, which is a DIY trump piano workshop. For our case, we can see that trying new experience can help individuals gain confidence in their abilities by revealing that what they once considered difficult is actually achievable. After assessments, they have a real identity. From people who are lead help to helper, it makes them feel like their justice is over. The interactive sessions of the workshop allow reborn seekers to share their story of rebirth and the message that people and objects can be reborn after repair. Through these stories, and participants can reflect their understanding of reborn and gain insights into the genuine of the shares. By being brave enough to share their back experience, individuals can build trusting relationships with others and overcome their fear of negative feedback. The participants have gained something from the shares after listening. Reflecting on the experience of others can help JC develop a deeper sense of compassion and empathy for those around them. Upon said that selling their products was unexpected but encouraging, as it showed that interest in their creation, and it seems that positive feedback like this can be a motivating factor for individuals to pursue their goals. Last, we would like to pass on the love, skill, and model to more people who want to be born. Then continue to repeat this cycle to let them be better. Before they were reborn, they difficult to integrate into society, left on positive social and self-confidence. After the program, they are able to own these qualities, also rediscover their self and society. In the questionnaire, after the activities, all their abilities, traits, and understanding are higher than before the activities. Results that Reborn restores self-confidence, organization abilities, and repair all object skill more than 7 points, which achieved expected results. The increase in participants' understanding of Reborn seekers from 4 points to 8 points, so that the workshop helped to eliminate stereotype and improve their impression of this group. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.